What is going on YouTube? Hannah back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we're going to continue where we left off yesterday in regards to me thinking most of these cryptocurrencies are due to move higher, and it could start as early as today, and that's what I want to show you guys. You can see I've drawn a beautiful bull flag formation here, pretty much showing that we've hit the bottom, and you know, there's pretty much nowhere to go but up for most of these major cryptocurrencies, and I want to elaborate more on that in a second with you. But as you guys can see, with a lot of these cryptos like XRP, we hit a bottom here. We were in an ascending broadening wedge. We broke through that and fell to the bottom. Well, recently, if I jump to the 4-hour, and as I discussed with you yesterday here, we fell into a symmetrical triangle in the 4-hour. We're tracking this since Friday of last week here. And you can see as we are filling this in, we clearly discovered a price ceiling, a top and a bottom price floor here. And as we filled this in, we discussed if we confirm closure above either of these resistances or supports, that would open up that buying opportunity for us. And we did just that. We confirmed closure with our candle right here on the 4-hour. And since then, we've been doing nothing but heading higher and higher and higher. So that was very exciting. This was a very easy, more moderate trade to capitalize on here as we head up to most likely retest moving average, as that was the target. And that's what we discussed many days ago, as expected on XRP. We said a lot of these cryptos are undervalued. They fell quite substantially. The halving has happened here. Almost all these cryptocurrencies are due to move higher. Same thing with Solana. You can see Solana has already started to breach through its uptrend here, and there's a good chance we'll hang out on this and slowly start to move in here. We'll probably have some resistance, some turbulence on the price ceiling, but eventually we'll break through it and we'll head back up to retesting 2024 all-time highs with a $200 target. That's about a 35% rally, which is nuts, and that's what's expected. From bottom here, we could easily see a 60%, but from where we currently are is about a 34 to 33% rally, which is incredible and what we're expecting and anticipating to see happen here. And it goes even further. Looking at Ethereum, you can see in the bull flag on here, the beautiful uptrend, the lower high, lower low movement here. We're bouncing off support. Good chance we're going to rally up to retest 33.76. And same thing with Bitcoin, probably heading up to retest price ceiling right over here. S&P 500 already saw a green candle yesterday, very obvious as expected here. Already starting to see reversal, and good chance we're going to head up to retest top resistance here. Although I don't think we're going to break through it, we are going to be heading up nonetheless. I'm going to extend this out just a bit too, as I do think we are due to head lower, and I'll explain more about that a little bit later on in today's video. But with that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump right into today's episode. So guys, I told you this yesterday. BitFi, the number1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange, is doing something with meme coins, and as you guys can see here, you can trade meme coin contracts and share in a $10,000 USDT prize pool. All you literally have to do is click the link down in the description for more information, sign up ASAP, and you'll be able to take advantage of this prize pool. It's super cool, super easy, and just another freebie to earn some free cryptocurrency, and who doesn't like that? So make sure to take advantage of the free sign up down below. Get entered to win. You never know, you got to be in it to win it here. But diving into today's video, you can see the current coin market cap. We are starting our reversal, our ascent to the upside here, and we look really, really, really good. You can see we're up barely anything, about 0.2%, but we're at 65 on the fear and greed index. The uptrend is starting here, up 4.7%, up 3.5%, up 12%, up 15%, up 11% for a lot of these cryptocurrencies over the week. And you can see these slow and steady gainers since this weekend here. We actually broke out this weekend, and since then we've been on an uptrend, but look at how beautiful the steady incline is for all the major cryptos. Every single cryptocurrency is on its steady incline to the upside, and this is beautiful and exactly what we wanted to happen here. So I'm very excited to see the results of this. Moving forward from the current coin market cap, jumping right into XRP here, you can see we're on our ascent to the outside here. This was very, very, very obvious. I can pull up our previous videos here on the channel. We can go back a couple of days ago. We've been tracking the symmetrical triangle. I can go back 4 days, almost 5 days from today. We go back all the way. This video was, I put this video out on the 18th. It's currently the 23rd. So 5 days ago, I put this video out, and you can see by the thumbnail here what we were referencing, that we had a beautiful symmetrical triangle forming. We were at the bottom. We fell into the symmetrical triangle, and we just had the breakout. If I jump to the 4-hour charts, you can see it right here. Yes, I had to extend it ever so slightly, but it is the same exact symmetrical triangle. You can see right here 3 days ago, the bottom support. Look at this now. XRP Ripple, history in the making. I'm about to buy in. history is repeating, and that is exactly what we had happen right here. It was so easy to track. It was so easy to trade. And, if you guys didn't see it coming, then, definitely make sure to watch these videos daily because you don't want to miss out on these important opportunities. We had a clear candle. We had a clear price flag, bear flag here, whatever you want to call it. This is the flagpole is what I meant to say. Then we had lower highs and higher lows. And what that means is each time we fell, it was higher than the last one. You can see each time we fell, it was higher than the previous, and each time we headed up, it was lower than the previous here. All coming into one point of contact. Once we are filling this in, a decision had to be made. We either A, could complete this, or B, at some point still, we need to make a decision. Are we breaking through top? Are we breaking through bottom? I don't know. When we do, that's that opportunity to capitalize off the run, either to buy in long or to buy in short. And we did just that. We broke through top resistance here, and we are starting the ascent to the upside. And there's a good chance it's going to continue to scale us up higher here until we hit target. And because we broke in, it was a very easy buy-in opportunity using BidFi here. And I'll show you what we did in a second. You can see with this confirmation closure above, and this happened on the weekend, we were able to get that rally up. And now jumping to the daily, that was that opportunity to get in and move that stop loss up and slowly take profits as we head higher. As you can see, we're nearing the price ceiling here, and that's probably when we're going to start to slow down. We do have a golden cross on the relative strength indicator. I'm going to zoom in just for you guys. You can see this MACD. We have a golden cross right here. Blue is crossing over orange, and you can see we look very good. 50 on the RSI gives us plenty of room to head higher, and there's a good chance we are going to do just that and come to retest moving average here. We're undervalued. It is almost guaranteed we're going to skew and scale to the upside here. Obviously, taking advantage of it on BidFi, an easy opportunity to trade. BidFi offers XRP to trade, which not many people know, and you can see we're actually in the middle here. It's quite interesting. This is the 4 hour. Let's jump to the daily. Yes, we're undervalued still, so plenty of room to head up higher to retest moving average with a 57-cent target here. This is what I expect and anticipate to see happen as we move forward within this week. I said it yesterday, and I said it days ago over the weekend here. I said all these cryptos are headed higher this week. We're due to see some very nice movements this week. I'll pull it up because I'm pretty certain I had it in the thumbnail here where I wrote about, this week will be epic, talking about that. That was literally 2 days ago here, and now you can see the markets are starting their decline or incline back to the upside here. We're taking advantage of this on BidFi, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. You can buy long, sell short, leverage trade cryptocurrencies. They give you take profits, stop losses. You can move your stop loss above your entry point to guaranteed lock-in profit. Long, short, market orders, limit orders. You can we have a welcome reward sign-up bonus as well as a demo trading account. So you can earn over $2,000 in bonus money by signing up. $2,000 in rewards by signing up completely free with the link in the description and completing these free and easy tasks. Make sure to check it out down below. They also have a demo account which gives you $50,000 in Monopoly money to test your skills completely free. That means you can practice trading, you can learn how to trade, you can leverage trade, you can get familiar with the platform, get familiar with your trading, then switch on over to the live account, which is super cool. Anywho, moving forward and diving into the other cryptocurrencies beyond XRP, because like I said, target is right around here. You can see on Solana here, we're starting to ascent. We knew this too. Last week, we hit a bottom. We hit the lowest point on the markets here. It was anticipated that we'd start the reversal up to the upside here, and that's exactly what happened. We bottomed off, and we're starting to reverse. Now, target is going to be problem zones right around this area here, price ceiling, but we'll probably break through it and start our ascent to retest price ceiling here. That's what I'm anticipating. That's what I'm expecting to see happen here. Whether it happens today, tomorrow, the next day, we're having a golden cross on the MACD on a lot of these cryptocurrencies. But ideally, I would not be surprised. It is a no-brainer with this ascending thing. If you got in now, and I'm not saying you should, but if I got in now, I am almost expecting us to easily move up to here. This is the price target that we have. It might take a while into May, but to make 30-40% off your trades in a couple of weeks is absolutely nuts. It's absolutely nuts. Moving forward, same thing goes with a lot of these other cryptos. Ethereum, much more short term, but we expect this to move up to about 33.50, complete a next point here. This is the pattern that I would expect to see happen in Ethereum. So we're we're headed for retest of 33, then we can short it to support, and then I expect to see that breakout take place. Same thing with Bitcoin. I expect to see a little bit more consolidation, and hopefully we can break through this ascending fractal. It could be turning into some sort of bull flag as well, but we don't have enough of it to confirm that just yet. But it is there. It's very possible that we could be seeing something along the lines of this. We just need another correction to take place, and then we'll know where to go from here. But you can see another ascending fractal taking place here. I'll delete this and draw it to make it a little bit better looking. But again, bull flag nonetheless is forming here, and that's what we expect to see happen. And then the S&P 500, we just bottomed off support. I wouldn't be surprised if we see a little reversal rally to gain some steam, but we're still in a lower high, lower low pattern here. And because we're in this lower high, lower low pattern, there's a good chance we're going to continue this descent until otherwise. And it's probably going to be either at this support or we fall down to this support. When I jump to the weekly, that makes more sense. The weekly was extremely overbought, and now we're still a little bit high, 56, 57, which is okay. I'll pull down to 48.9, might get us a little bit lower than 50, and we could easily send it to top support, retest moving average, which would be ideal. That'd be a huge buying opportunity, to be honest with you. But that's where I expect it. I think things on the stock market would do for like a week or two of bull run, and then continued correction is my opinion here, at least on the S&P. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and crypto, the rest of the cryptocurrencies, we might see a bit more consolidation, but we're headed up for the next couple of March, April, May, probably the next month or two. We'll see how it goes. But with that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.